At NAMCO, we know that time is money. So with that in mind, we wanted to show you how much time you can save by simply upgrading your snap lock limit switch to a snap lock with a quick disconnect, or QDC. We're going to simulate wiring to a limit switch. On one side, I'll use the traditional wiring harness. On the other side, Doug will use the QDC. All right, ready, go. So if in your plant time is money, then you should consider upgrading to SnapLock QDC. Remember, you need a limit switch that says its own name. You need a SnapLock.